1052, speed 160.
Speed 160, KLM 1052.
Ground 45, speed 180.
Speed 180, KLM 45.
Easy 8877, reduce to your final approach speed.
The minimum is 130, easy 8877.
Easy 8877, roger, break. KLM 1052, turn right 330.
Right 330 for KLM 1052.
Easy 8877, just for your information, you are indicating ground speed 136, the aircraft in front is indicating ground speed 172, but still you are closing on him. So, yeah, continue approach.
Interesting, easy 8877, we'll continue approach.
25.
Lufthansa 6 on hotel, this is 3 miles out, number 1 full tower, frequency 119 and 225, bye bye.
Lufthansa 310, number 1 for approach, contact tower 119.2, goodbye.
KLM 1052, descend to 2000 feet.
Descend to 2000 feet, KLM 1052.
KLM 1052, turn right 030, cleared ILS 06.
Cleared ILS 06, KLM 1052.
Easy 8877, you are 4 miles out. Fish comes to my Easy 8877, you are 4 miles out, 2 miles behind the aircraft in front. Please advise if you'd like to clear the approach.
Probably we're not gonna be able to land behind him.
Easy 8877, roger, missed approach, climb straight ahead to 3000 feet.
Runway heading to 3000 feet, easy 8877.
Skippola arriving, good evening, Skippola arriving, good evening, Scandinavia 303 with you.
Scandinavia 303, hello, stand by please. KLM 45, turn left 180.
Repeat heading again please, KLM 45.
Caribbean Airlines 737 on this.
Yes sir.
Caribbean 737, turn right heading 330, descend to 2000 feet, QNH 1009.
Heading 330 down to 2000 feet, QNH 1009.
KLM 45, what's the heading again please?
KLM 45, turn left 180.
Left 180, KLM 45.
Scandinavia 303, speed 180 please.
I'm at 180 indicated exactly, Scandinavia 303.
Scandinavia 303, roger, thank you. Break. City 74 Alpha is 4 miles out. You are following a CRG at over at the threshold. His ground speed is kind of weird, but with the approach, call it out frequency 119 and 225. Bye bye. Caribbean 737, turn right heading 360.
Right heading 360, Caribbean 737.
KLM 45, turn left heading 130, descend to 3000 feet, QNH 1008.
Heading 130 to 3000 feet, QNH 1008, KLM 45.
All stations, new QNH 1008. Easy 8877, turn right heading 180. Right, heading 180 EC 8877. Caribbean 737, speed 180.
180,
Caribbean 737, make the speed 160.
160, okay, that's
1052, maintain speed 160 until 4 DME.
Maintain 160 until 4 DME, KLM 1052.
KLM 45, turn left 030, correction 090, clear to island 06.
Heading 030, KLM 45.
KLM 45, yeah, you're overshooting now. Make the left turn 030, clear to island 06.
Left 030, island 06, thank you.
Scandinavian 303, speed 160.
Speed 160, Scandinavian 303.
1052, 4 miles out, becoming number 1 for the tower, frequency 119 into the 5 line.
Roger, contact tower 119R.22, bye bye, KLM 1052. Amsterdam Tower, good evening, KLM 1052 on a 4 mile final, runway 06.
City 74 Alpha, fly right, heading is 150, climb 3000 feet.
50 up to 3000 feet, is San Francisco.
City 74 Alpha, that is correct, contact departure 118.4.
184, City San Francisco, bye bye.
KLM 1052, the wind is 070 at 12, runway 06, clear to land.
Clear to land 06, KLM 1052.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. $100.
KLM 17903, the wind 070 at 12, runway 36 left, clear for takeoff.
10.
Cleared for takeoff, 179 with you.